Hello, welcome to the spring news update of what's been going on at Xceed. My name is Matt and I work as technical director at Xceed. Before we get started on what we've been working on, I wanted to showcase a section of our website that I hope you guys found and are using. It is called the News and Chronicles section on our website that you can see in the menu up there. So if we click on this, you're going to fall on a page which basically is all our latest news and tutorials and release information that you'll be able to find there. As you can see, we've been awarded the top 50 publisher on Component Source, so this is great. It's always good to see that you guys are still passionate and interested about our products, so that's good. Thank you so much. So now if we move on what Xceed has been working on this spring, we'll start off with our brand new product that was released in January called Xceed Data Grid for JavaScript. So I did make a video that you'll find in that very section about the existing functionalities, but right now we added stat functions to the product. So when you group, you're going to be able to add a different type of stat function. The typical ones you would expect to see, like averages, counts, and so on and so forth. So this is one of the features we've been working on. We're also been working on making sure that the product is as fast as possible. So performance is always a concern when it comes to UI products, and it's something that we're going to be working on through the entire life cycle of the product. It's something we've been doing for our WPF products, and it's something that we'll be doing for this product as well. Speaking of WPF, the Xceed Data Grid for WPF and the toolkit will also be receiving their share of updates and bug fixes in the next release, which is to be expected early summer. So if we dive in our non-UI products, we can talk about Xceed Words for .NET. One of the big features we've added to Xceed Words for .NET is the ability for you to be able to digitally sign docx document through code. So you'll basically be able to add digital signatures to your documents. So you'll be able to add this functionality in your workflow. Which is something we're really excited about because not a lot of people have been doing that, and it's a feature we feel that can definitely add value to your existing workflow. On a little bit more complex level, let's talk about Xceed SFTP for .NET. So encryption is always a concern when it comes to that product, obviously, and staying up to date. So we added the support to AES Galois, which is a encryption algorithm that has been increasing in popularity. So we support that. It's also called AES GCM, and we support 128-bit and 250-bit key size, which should be what you need. We highly recommend at Xceed that you do update SFTP to the latest version to benefit from this encryption algorithm, to avoid being faced with a server that you're no longer being able to connect to because of that missing algorithm. So, so please consider adding this to your solution by updating the products to the latest version. Another topic I wanted to touch base on is the .NET Framework 5. So Microsoft has been pushing this really hard, and we've been working with them to make sure that all of our existing products will support .NET 5, and I can reassure you that this is indeed the case. Xceed will support .NET 5 for all of its products. Most of them already support .NET Standard 2 or .NET Core 3.1. So for us, it should be a smooth transition. And as I said, we're working with Microsoft to make sure that this is as transparent as possible for you guys. So if you're building a new solution, a new application using these latest frameworks, you should be able to add Xceed products with no issue whatsoever. So you can expect this in our again in our summer release. If you need it sooner or if you want to try it, please drop me a line at matt@xceed.com and I'll hook you up with beta versions of these versions for the .NET 5 framework. So that's about it. I encourage you to take a quick look at this section of the website once again. I will put up a blog post about our spring updates, so you'll find more information there and more details on what you can expect. Meanwhile, once again, if you have questions, suggestions, requests, please drop me a line at matt@xceed.com, and I'll make sure to send it to appropriate people or work with you on them. So thank you so much, and have a nice spring.